Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Richard D. This is your Bearcat 980 SSB. Wanted to show you the inside. There's your TRBX3. Okay. I've upgraded the capacitors. There's the buffer for the voltage regulator. I've upgraded it to a 3300 microfarad, 25 volt. And also the input buffer, I upgraded to 3300 microfarad, 25. I wanted to put a 47 in there, but see those little diodes down there? It would have interfered with those. So I went ahead with a 3300. Okay, and of course, here's your custom installed RFX 150. Alright, there's your control for the Echo, the TRBX3. And here is your on-off switch for the RFX 150. You can cut it off and just run with the radio, like if you're talking to someone close by. Alright, what else? There's your protection diode. There's a 10 amp protection diode on the power receptacle there. But don't use this receptacle, and I'll tell you why. Actually, I'm going to show you why. I had to remove the other screw and that half of the C-clip in order to install the RFX 150. So there's only one half of the C-clip that's holding this guy in place. So I didn't fill it up with glue, but maybe I should have. But anyway, don't try to use that. The radio and the amp are both powered from this connector. Okay? See that red and black wire coming out of there, going over to the power jack. That's coming from this cable here. Okay, there's actually a couple of solder pads inside the amp there to add those wires. So I added them and ran them into the radio. Okay, your RFX 150, of course it doesn't have much heat sink to start with, and the only thing that's aluminum on the back of this radio is just the back. The sides turn into steel, so they're thin and they don't conduct much heat. That's why they added the aluminum heatsink over there on that side. Now, I've added heatsink compound, made sure all the components were up against the side over there. For some reason, actually, I don't think they made the board correctly for the way the pins are bent for the TDA 2003, because it's always off of the board just a little bit at the bottom. So what I had to do was unsolder that, push it back against the heatsink like it should be, and resolder the leads. Okay. Your clarifier is the transmit and receive are now locked together. Fine tune also moves transmit. Alright. And as you can see, I've already got the cables all tied up nice and neat. Let me get the covers put on it and I'll give you a demo. More to come. Hello folks. Richard D. in Michigan. This is your Bearcat 980 SSB. Little switch on the side here for your RFX 150. The down position, the amp is off. You're using just the radio. In the up position, the amp is on. Okay. On this side, controls for the TRBX3 Echo. Alright, in this position, they're both the Echo and the time are off. Okay. Now this will be on, I imagine you're going to mount this thing in the center of your vehicle, so this will be on the driver's side. You can control the amp on the driver's side, because normally once you get your echo set, you're not constantly fooling with that. So I put that on the passenger side. And that basically was the only place to put them. I really don't like making holes in the side of cabinets and stuff, but there was no other place to put these. The back is full, as you saw before. Remember the power connector. In fact, you may want to put like something in there to keep you from trying to use it. It still feels pretty solid, but I wouldn't trust it, you know. And if you poke that thing inside there, if it breaks and gets inside and shorts out, you're just going to have a big mess. So I wouldn't use that part. Okay, here's your CR577 microphone. It's on the adapter pigtail that Uniden provides. Okay, we're on AM channel 38. I am on the dummy load, guys, so don't freak out. Got to back up away from the monitor radio to keep this one from squealing. Audio check, audio test. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. Audio testing, audio. That was just on the radio. Okay. And here it is with the amp on. Audio test, audio. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test, testing audio. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Now I've noticed something curious about the meter. The SWR bridge that was in there before, I took it out. We're not using it. Okay, we're using the SWR bridge and the RFX 150. If we tried to use that, you'd be measuring SWR between the radio and the amplifier, which, you know that's going to be good because you only got a little short piece of coax. You want to see what the SWR is between the amp and the antenna. Okay, so we go to calibrate, and I need to turn the mic gain down. I had it set on 5. Okay, turn the mic gain down, key the radio, and calibrate. It's hard to do and hold the camera. I want you to be able to see me calibrate this thing. Okay. What am I turning wrong here? Okay, I'm on the AM. I just did this a minute ago. There we go. Alright, that's calibrated. Now we're going to do SWR. See, I know that's not right. Hang on, I'll be back. Okay, I know what I was doing wrong now. Alright, go back to calibrate. Kit. Okay, see, I got it calibrated. And then we're going to do an SWR check. At a 1.5 to 1, which is, that's right, because I'm going into my B and K, and the SWR going through that switch box down to the antenna through the B and K is higher. Oh no, it's not. Okay. Actually reads a little bit less. All right. Now then, let's go back to SRF and see, amplifier. Okay, amp was on. And we're going to dead key and take a look at the power. Now, both of these have 100 watt slugs in them. The one on the left is reading average power. Got about what is that, 25 watts average. Let me turn the microphone back up. Audio. That's about Let's see, audio 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, audio test, audio. 2 notches down from 100, so that's 50, 75, 80, 85, 90. This says right at 90 watts on AM, right at 90 watts. Let's go to sideband. That's upper sideband. Let me switch this one to, well, actually let's do lower sideband. Okay, we're on lower sideband. Audio check, 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 check. Audio test, test, audio. Audio, hello, audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. Man, listen to that audio. That thing sounds good. Now we're on the ×2 scale here, so we're reading on the top scale. That's 250, 200, 150, 100 right there. You can't see because of my finger. There's 100 right there. Audio, hello, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, audio test. So about 80, 85, somewhere in that area. Okay. And echo, I need to show you echo. Let me switch back to AM. Echo does work on all 3 modes. If you put just a tiny bit of echo in there when you're on sideband, it will actually help your communications. Okay, turn the hello audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Audio test, 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 test. Audio test. Okay, let's turn the time up. Hello. 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 Okay. And I've already showed you guys how most of the truckers run with them. They run with them like this right here. Audio test. Test 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Audio test. We're good. Turn that up just a little bit. Audio, hello. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now we're in the football stadium. Audio test, test, 1, 2, 1, 2, test. All right, that's on AM. This is a TRBX3. Okay. Hello everybody, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Richard D. in Michigan. This is your less common improved Bearcat 980 SSB. Just demonstrating the receiver. Let me turn on the RF signal generator. And where's the RF gain on this damn thing? Okay, that's local and DX. Okay, I'll switch to that. Go back to channel 38. Go to AM. Damn it. I need to go back inside and adjust the meter. I should be reading a 9 right there. And it's not. So I'll be back. Okay, there it is. We've got a 9 now. Let's see. Add something underneath the front of it. If you just lay it down, you can't hear the speaker. Sorry. There we go. That's on AM. The upper sideband is never what it ought to be. There's lower sideband. And it's just barely ticking it. There we go. Touch it up just a little bit on the clarifier. Okay. All right. I'll be back. Okay, one other thing I forgot to mention. Peel this tape off, okay? Don't let it stay on there. They had some clear stuff on there when I got it, but it kept trying to come off, so I just went ahead and took it off and put the electrical tape that I normally use around it. It seems to work better than that clear junk they put on there. Okay, all right. I think that's it. Thanks a lot. Okay, let's try out TalkBack. Audio test audio. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio test. That's with echo on. Let's turn the echo off. Audio 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Audio testing audio. And it's picking up this microphone's picking up the speaker in the radio. That's what you're hearing. Audio. See? Very sensitive microphone. Let me turn the mic gain down some more. Audio, hello. 1 2 3 3 2 1. Might help if I turn TalkBack down some, you think? No, I want to turn down TalkBack. Oh. Gotta have it keyed, don't you? Audio. There we go. Audio 1 2. Okay. That sounded better. Audio 1 2 3 3 2 1. Audio test. Okay, I'm gonna leave the TalkBack set right there. I'm gonna turn off the echo and the time. I got to bump the volume. All right, I think that's about it. You got any questions? Shoot me an email. Richard, I hope you enjoy your Bearcat 980 SSB upgraded by Lescom. It's my pleasure to build it for you. 73s, everybody.